Hey Carmen, it's me. I've been thinking about you lately. I missed you. Call me back.
Hello YouTube! In this video, as you can see from the title, I'm going to be reorganizing my bedroom because, as you will see in a second, it is very ugly. And I didn't realize how ugly it was. I actually did a room tour. I thought it looked nice, but then I just discovered Pinterest. Those rooms are beautiful. My room, I just found out, is not beautiful. You know how people say comparison is a thief of joy? Well, it worked, and now my poor room is not gonna look like this anymore. So anyways, if you really want to see my beautifully Pinterest-inspired bedroom, keep watching. Hello everyone, the Walmart outfit is on. Yes, I just got back from Walmart with a few things for my room. Anyways, I'm gonna start with my bed because it's very ugly. So just ignore the stupid stuff I put on there. It's just a very ugly bed. Look, the blanket of 2 blankets because it's cold in here. It's red. I don't even have pillowcases, stuffed animals. So do that first. I have this like cushion thing to put on it because my mattress is very old and not comfortable. I have new blankets, pillowcases, all this stuff. So just watch.
I'm a little tipsy.
I just noticed that this pillowcase says Melissa on it. If you're Melissa and this is your old pillowcase, I am so sorry. Okay, so I think the bed is done for now. I'm not sure how I feel about the pillows, but we can always... They look pretty bad. But for now, I'm going to probably start cleaning my table. It is a mess. Okay, so I've decided that I'm not going to clean this on camera because it is quite messy and that'd be very boring. So, I'm going to snap my fingers, and when I'm done snapping my fingers, it shall be clean. Anyways, I hope that snap thingy worked because I don't feel like trying it too many times. Look, I cleaned it. I just wanted to show you some cool things. Look what I found when I was cleaning that stuff up. It's on my old hair. I know I should probably throw it away, but I'm still gonna keep it somewhere. Anyways, I'm gonna go to sleep. Finish this up tomorrow. I'll show you what it looks like tomorrow. Good night. Hello. So I'm gonna clean up this area. I'm gonna get rid of a bunch of stuff on there. This is gonna be very boring, so I'm just gonna, you know, snap my fingers. I'll be done in a sec because magic, you know? Also, I'm in class right now. See, that's me in class. If you have a class that's really boring, upload a video of yourself and use it as a virtual background. And now I'm gonna clean. Okay, so as you can see, finally this little area is clean. I'm basically done like organizing everything, so now it's time for the fun part. So I'm gonna change my curtains, the cute lights over here. So also I just want to show you my bed real quick. This is what the bed looks like. So I got rid of the pillows. Actually the gold pillow I'm just hiding under my bed. I'm gonna sleep with it. It just doesn't look as aesthetic on the bed. I added this and it just looks better except for those curtains, so why don't we change them? Well, that's done, and now the Christmas light. Oh, sorry, I just ate, what did I eat? Pasta, but with like green stuff in it. Okay, well, now for the Christmas lights. Okay, so I've got 2 boxes of Christmas lights, and I found them in the like home decor section of the store, so you know that they're special lights that are meant for rooms. Also notice my desk looks a lot better than it was when I first showed you to clean it, because you know how you clean something and then you look at it, you're like, that's actually really ugly, and you change it. So I did that. I'll update you on everything at the end of the video. But anyways, time for lights. Okay, so I've got 2 packs of these, and I'm gonna hang them up over the lights so that they're not too bright, and I'll hang a plant in that corner. So enjoy this time lapse. Okay, so this is what this whole area looks like so far. I added some little lights to the table and the plant, obviously. And obviously it's messy right now. I'll clean that for the final reveal. But yeah, cute, depressing gray, curtains, all this stuff. And I'm going to be hanging these up around the room. They're 10 count string lights, 9 feet. I got 2 of them, so about 18 feet of lights all at the top. So I'm excited. This is going to be really quick because I already put the nails in. I did that without filming because I assumed you wouldn't want to see that. And if you do, just let me know because that sounds like a really easy video idea. So let me know and I'll film it for you. But anyways, let's put these up. As you can tell by my face and just everything, I'm almost done. So I just have to hang up a few more decorations. Some of them are really pretty and will really make this room fully perfect, you know? Because right now it's like, oh, it's really cute, but not cute enough. It's about to be next level with these decorations, so enjoy. Okay, we only have one more chore, which includes fruit. It's a little DIY thing. I'm going to put a cute orange garland up there, you'll see. And I'll just teach y'all how to do this, and we'll hang it up, and then we'll do the finishing touches. Okay, sorry for this awkward position, but I need to show you supplies. So we need 2 oranges, or 1 or more, depending on how long you want this garland to be. A knife, preferably one that matches your oranges, because, you know, you're cute. Some thread, clearly I just really like depressing gray colors, so I went for gray. And obviously a cutting board, or you can just use your table if you're more risky, or your floor. I just don't want to get, you know, sticky. And a piece of metal, a cooking sheet. And also, sorry, you need an oven, so if you're living in a dorm, this isn't going to work. But actually, I lied. It is. Haha, that's the joy in life. I lied. So what we're basically going to do is cut these oranges and put them in the oven for 2.5 hours to let them dry. So if you don't have an oven, you can just let them dry out in the sun for a few days. That's just more effort. Let's get to cutting. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I just realized I said we needed a cutting board and I was literally cutting these on the pan. But anyways, here's the first orange done. A recommendation, you want it thinner because it'll dry faster. But one of the cons is if you do it too thin, you get a hole. No. Anyways, I'll actually cut the other one on the cutting board. Okay, your little dish of oranges that you are not going to be eating is done. So we're just going to put this in a 250-degree Fahrenheit oven and leave it there for about 2.5 hours, maybe 3, and I'll get back to you when that's done. Okay, so if you've been seriously listening to my advice, I recommend this is where you stop because look at them. Half of them are black, so I didn't do that good of a job. Luckily, I've got some pretty dark things in my room, so they kind of work. So now I'll just take the string and I'll thread them on and make it look cute.
I miss you. I'm a little tipsy.
Hey, so I'm sad. Apparently that wasn't filming. I don't know how much of it filmed and how much of it didn't. But I finished this. It doesn't look that great. I'm just going to hang it up and then I'll show you guys the final reveal. Well, anyways, that was the video. There's nothing else left. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you subscribe because you just want to see this beautiful room and more videos. Also, if you want to continue seeing how beautiful this room is, I'm currently doing the Chloe Ting challenge, and I will be working out in this room. So, you will see me in this room. So that means you're going to see this room. So yeah, think about subscribing. Anyways, bye. Thank you for watching this, and I really hope you like this room.